people will anyway make a reference. People will anyway have an expectation. So I don't want to push that agenda. Very proud of the family I come from, and I'm very grateful for the education that my family has given me in that sense. I was duffer. मैं टेक्सिक हूँ, तो मैंने हिंदी की नहीं, एक्चुअली मैंने एग्जाम नहीं दी, प्रयास किया कि मैं जबान पे, भाषा पे काम करूँ, करता रहूँ, मैं अभी भी करता हूँ. I still have I have books.
Wow.
I love commercial cinema. I love it. Shah Rukh Khan's films in Chandan is not there anymore, sadly, but
Yeah.
we also have been. I love that.
Welcome to India Today. I think by now you must be accustomed, or at least be used to all the praise that you have been getting, because oh my God, what a revelation for people who have not watched Faraz.
Yeah.
But for people, but I want to know, how are you soaking in all this accolades and this appreciation that is coming your way?
With a big bucket of gratitude, because it is overwhelming, to say the least. It is very special. I know how rare it is.
Yeah.
For not only your own work to be appreciated, but for everyone's work,
Yeah.
It's to have such a unanimous response is a very unique privilege that very few people get, and I'm just so happy that this is what's happening. And in fact, I'm almost scared that abhi iske aage kya. So,
That's a good scare then, because it I don't know, it's always said that what you do next after you gain that sort of popularity or that sort of appreciation matters a lot more. I don't know, I don't think you operate that way though. Like, I feel like you just go by the instinct and pick up projects that really resonate with you.
yeah,
How to be Zahan at a time when everyone is chasing numbers then?
that's a really interesting question, Bhavna. I think, again, I'm fortunate to be in a position where I've I have not only, of course, there's something innate, but I've also been. I mean, I've been supported to be able to make decisions that were most first and foremost were decisions that felt true to me.
Right.
So now the fact is that for someone else, the decision that feels true to them could be a wholly different criteria, right? Like,
Absolutely, yes.
and for me, what has been most important and what I keep as my guiding light is, does it feel like it's a story with a beating heart? And does the person who wants to tell it, is their intention to communicate the story with their maximum energy and life force?
Right.
Or is it that this is a strategic decision that we're going to be smart about, and we're going to make a killing, and we're going to be really cool about it? Not to say that there's anything wrong. I admire those people who do it. It's like a gamble. Like, people are really cool and slick, and they know how to be like, they know how
Up to date with everything. Yeah.
मुझे डर लगता है, मैं नहीं करता. I'm very impressed by those people. तो ऐसे श्योरिटी होती है कि देखो, ऐसे करेंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, स्ट्रैटेजी बनाएंगे, and they do it, and sometimes it really does work, and
Yeah.
I'm very jealous because मुझे डर लगता है, मैं कैसे करूँ ये सब.
Yeah.
So I'd rather be a little bit I'd rather take a little bit more time. Like, it's taken longer
Yeah.
for me, Um, but
But worth it. But worth it, I would say.
I think so.
Yeah, it is. I mean, because also the fact that even when Faraz released, the fact that you never really positioned yourself as someone from the Kapoor family, or like, the fact that there were rarely any PR articles or anything which said that Shashi Kapoor's grandson is making. I mean, that in itself sets your debut apart from many others.
I think it was also a conscious choice, because at the end of the day, that perhaps is the conscious choice, which is that I want no stress. I want my work and my effort and my intentionality, my honesty to speak for itself.
Yeah.
I understand that people will anyway make a reference, people will anyway have an expectation. So I don't want to push that agenda. That's just
Yeah.
my personal take. It is what it is. I'm very
Yeah.
proud. I'm very proud of the family I come from, and I'm very grateful for the education that my family has given me in that sense. My parents, most of all, for grounding me in ways and also encouraging me in so many others. Um, but I believe the story is the most important thing. So the story.
Absolutely.
So I mean, how also tone deaf would it have been if I made the story of Faraz
Yeah.
about Shashi Kapoor's grandson?
True, true.
Right? It's so incorrect in a sense.
But even with Black Warrant, it's not like, it's only when you start, like, there is a curiosity when people are watching you now. They're like, oh my God, he's so good. Who is he? And that's when
But
they
I
get to
like that.
know.
I like
Yeah.
that.
And that's when they're like, oh, he's also Shashi Kapoor's grandson. And that also is what matters, because the first connect that they have with you is because they really enjoyed your performance.
That's good. I'm very proud of that. If I can be proud of anything, I'm proud of that.
Yeah, but the journey has been long. I remember I visited the set almost a year back, and when Vikram sir took us through everything and just how logistically it was challenging to bring together this entire series. Tell me, but for you as an actor who's just getting into this mainstream kind of a showbiz business, what was the most challenging thing? Because this is period first. So there's a certain dialect, there's a certain mannerism, there's a certain body language that you have to ace, which you did very well, by the way.
Thank you.
But what was the hard work that went behind it?
So the most challenging thing was that this has been the biggest responsibility of of a character and a story that I've been given the opportunity to attempt. It is also the most intense
Mm,
shooting experience because in 51 days
yeah,
we completed these 7 episodes, and each of them like 45 minutes, 50 minutes almost. The sheer volume of work you're doing on a daily basis is so much
yeah.
that it was, I mean, there were so many times during shoot where I was just trying to keep my head above water. I was like saying, I hope भगवान भरोसे सब कर रहा हूँ जो ठीक है वो सही होगा. You
Huh,
know, I hope it works.
yeah.
Because it is so, sometimes it's like, I mean, so many times I was like, 14 hours a day, कितनी बार अच्छी acting करोगे? It was literally like that. It was literally, and there were so many scenes I was like, अरे, it's not good. कैसे किया मैंने यार? Not working. And then you finish a scene and then you get 3 ideas and you're like, shit, यार,
Yeah,
तो मैं
yeah,
कर सकता था, ये भी हो सकता था, वो भी हो सकता था. And that's just the process, though I realize, it's
yeah.
so it was overwhelming even during. It was so much to
Mm,
to kind of chew on.
yeah,
And the period, the like you mentioned, all of these things, thankfully those things I addressed and I was conscious of in the little time we had in pre-production. So luckily I had about 2 months.
right.
In those 2 months all of these things were addressed.
Hmm.
And then once they were addressed, then you have to trust it. And now shooting chal rahi hai, to आप बस कूद पड़ो. um and then the the idea is that you're also really trusting. It's
Yeah,
an act of trust. It's a leap of faith, and knowing that you have filmmakers like Vikramaditya Motwane sir, Satyanshu sir, and then Arkesh sir, who's also co-written it.
hmm.
And then the other directors, Rohin, Ambika, um, uh, who have all, and then of course like Somu sir, the DOP, the sound by
Right.
sir, and the music by Ajay. All of these things come together and enhance the world.
Yeah,
Mukund sir's set, you saw it, right? How immersive was that set?
yeah,
It makes you feel like you're able to leave the rest of the world behind
yeah,
and just focus on what's going on here. That is a blessing. That is a privilege. It is really rare to also be surrounded by this team of people,
Yeah.
by those co-actors, also. So
Yeah.
all of this has mattered. All of this has created this performance.
Absolutely. I don't think anyone can. A good show is made by a good team, and I think that is what it is. And it was a very terrific team that came together for Black Warrior. The fact that it was, I mean, it did not need promotion to an extent where we are blowing it on everyone's face that this is coming, and yet getting the kind of appreciation that
Yeah.
it did. Because I think now that you are on social media, you know what goes behind promotion, and the fact that it is getting all this organic love. I think for me, I feel that is amazing.
It
Uh,
is. It is. It's so beautiful to see that. Like,
yeah. But Zahan, have you been reading comments? Because I think a very valid point, which most people have sort of made, is the fact that in today's time, especially for young actors, to ace their own language has become a problem. Like there's a disconnect that we see. But a
yeah.
lot of people have been pointing out, which I attest, is that you are so good. The holdover Hindi is so good. I want to understand, is it something that has been a conscious
100
effort?
100% कॉन्शियस लेवल। आपको आपको यकीन नहीं होगा, स्कूल में आई वाज डफर। मतलब मैं डिस्लेक्सिक हूँ, तो मैंने हिंदी की नहीं, एक्चुअली मैंने एग्जाम नहीं दी
अच्छा।
10th में। सो आई बट थैंकफुली मैंने देवनागरी में पढ़ना सीखा।
ओह।
तो आई आफ्टरवर्ड्स एंड देन थिएटर के जरिए मैंने ये सब, मतलब मैंने ये मेहनत की, ये प्रयास किया कि मैं जबान पे, भाषा पे काम करूं, करता रहूं,
Hmm.
मैं अभी भी
Hmm.
करता हूं। आई स्टिल हैव लाइक, I'll show you, like I have books. It's
Wow.
like I have books that I read all the time. I'm read, so I read a lot also. And
Yeah.
that helps. And I I feel really strange because in school and growing up, I didn't have it around me, and it was such
Hmm.
a shame because I wish I did. Because I still feel it's so nice that I get appreciated, but I still feel so insecure about it. Because I know कि यार काश अगर और पकड़ होती इस पे, you know, it would have just changed things maybe for me even more. But ठीक है, कोई नहीं, अभी सबका
I
अपना
think you
हिसाब
are
होता है।
doing a I think you're doing a wonderful job because the fact that this is something that people are pointing it out, Zahan, I think that in itself says how much it matters to people in today's
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
You know, because when you have such a hold on your language, that also means that you are also thinking in that language. Because आजकल क्या हो रहा है ना, ये मेरे साथ भी होता है कि I'm thinking in English, but then it gets translated into हिंदी बोलते वक्त ना फिर ऐसे जबान थोड़ी कप आ जाती है, पता है,
yes,
because
yes। हाँ हाँ,
it's
क्योंकि
like that.
आदत नहीं है, वो
हाँ।
आदत छूट जाती है, सारा कुछ अंग्रेजी में ही होता है,
हाँ।
सोशल मीडिया पे भी ये वो सब कुछ, तो वो बिगड़ से जाता है, वो तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ। एंड इट्स डिफिकल्ट, बट आई लव, लाइक दिलीप कुमार साहब सेड वन थिंग कि उन्होंने जो जो सीखा है वो साहित्य से सीखा उन्होंने।
Yeah.
एंड दैट इज इंटरेस्टिंग, लाइक कि आप जितना पढ़ोगे, देयर सच एन अमेजिंग वेल्थ
True.
ऑफ लिटरेचर एंड पोएट्री इन दिस कंट्री। और हम तो सिर्फ एक ही लैंग्वेज के बारे में बात करते
That is so true. I agree. I agree. But I just wanted to compliment you there because I think that I know it takes a lot of effort, and I'm so glad that people are sort of appreciating you for putting in that effort. But also, another thing that makes me curious, both your choices so far have been somewhat niche, if I have to even box it, right?
हैं। यू
But
कैन से दैट।
but you come from a family, obviously, which is so good with commercial cinema as well, like the legacy speaks. I want to know, is it again a conscious choice to stick to what you want to do? Could be niche, could be commercial, but at the same time, are there also, like, because I think people now want to know that will Zahan only do niche cinema, or will he also try his hands
I
on commercial?
I love commercial cinema. I love it. I love watching. I used to go. I'd watch Salman Khan's films in Chandan Cinema. Shah Rukh Khan's films in Chandan. Chandan is not there anymore, sadly. But
Yeah.
he also have been. I love that. I still go. I went to Pushpa also. I love. Um, you know. And there's cinema. See, I think depending on the story and the maker,
Hmm.
how do you want to communicate it? So I just happen to have found these opportunities right now. This is so मेरी जर्नी जो है यहाँ से शुरू हुई है, which is
Hmm.
I wasn't given those opportunities, in that way for whatever reason. I hope to find them. I hope I can find my, and because I love it. I love dancing also.
Oh.
I want to have a nice big romance. But I also love these stories. I also love, like,
Yeah.
I come from theater. I come from that. But theater में भी तरह तरह का theater होता है. It's like,
Yeah.
do a nice musical theater. You can do an intense abstract also, philosophical कुछ. तो
Yeah.
सब
Yeah.
कुछ होता है. And I'm kind of genre agnostic.
Ah, okay.
ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे लगता है कि ये मीनिंगफुल सिनेमा है और ये तो ऐसा ही है.
Hmm.
ऐसा
Hmm.
नहीं है. आई थिंक हर कहानी की एक मांग होती है, एक जरूरत होती है, और उसके हिसाब से वी हैव टू सर्व इट.
Yeah.
सो a story like Three Idiots is also based on a book, is on someone's life, but it's told in that way.
Yeah.
And a story like Faraz is also told in its own way. A story like Aligarh is told in its own way, and a story
Yeah.
like Bajirao Mastani is told in its own way. A Gully Boy is a fantasy story that is told in its own way, and Lapata Ladies is a story that's told in its own way.
Yeah.
So I like all of these films.
Yeah. I can sense that.
Yeah,
I think that's a Kapoor trait. I have to say that's a Kapoor trait. I mean, you love cinema and I can see that,
yeah,
like,
yeah,
in general,
yeah.
right? I have to obviously ask you this, that a lot of uh, people from the industry, including, of course, Alia, wrote a lot of praise for you for Black Warrant on social media. What is the best compliment that you've received from the industry so far? Because fans obviously have been pouring you with so much love, but also the industry is taking notice of Zahan Kapoor, who is Zahan Kapoor and not someone's grandson or someone's
How
anything.
nice.
It's
How nice. I'm very proud to share my work with my family. I'll be very honest. And I'm very happy when my family tells me that, you know, I I'm so happy that, it's so interesting, I'm so impressed, or like, I forgot it was you.
hmm,
Like, that is a huge compliment to say, like, I was just interested in what is going to happen to Sunil.
yeah.
And I'm really happy, and I think it's I am happy to, like, even with Faraz, the same feeling was like, I admire my family also so much, the work
Hmm,
they do. They're so committed, they're so dedicated, um, and they take it with pride and
yeah.
responsibility also. That I feel very proud when I'm also able to share.
Yeah.
कि देखो मैंने भी ये काम किया, ये आप भी थोड़ा देख लीजिए.
Makes
It's like
sense.
that,
Yeah.
and it's so I really like that, and I'm very proud that हाल फिलहाल तो अच्छा ही जा रहा है.
और
you
अभी
know
तो आगे बहुत अच्छा होगा,
हाँ,
बिकॉज दिस इज, जैसे आपने कहा, दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग
हाँ,
एंड देयर सो मच मोर, सो मेनी मोर चैप्टर्स टू
बिल्कुल.
अनफोल्ड.
मेहनत जारी है.
मेहनत बस वही करते रहो. आई थिंक दैट
बस.
इज व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. बट थैंक यू सो मच, Zahan. That's all the time I have, but all the very
Thank you
best for
so much.
Black Warrant.
So happy
I
speaking with you, Bhavna. So nice. So thank you.
Me too. I'm genuinely very happy speaking to you. Thank you so much.